Hi guys, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to change the straps on a Casio G-Shock watch. It's quite an expensive watch, it's the GA100, but of course if you're like me and you own a watch like this, you may not own a tool which is good enough to take the spring bar out, but as you can see I've taken it out with nothing more than just a screwdriver. Now the way you do this is by pushing these pins together when the watch is actually in, when the strap is actually in the watch. So what I'm going to do is show you me taking out the second one using only a screwdriver, as buying the bands is £4 on Amazon and you may not want to spend another £4. Okay. So the technique you want to do is push down at the edge here, just where basically these two pins are. You can see that there's a little notch there. You just want to try and get the screwdriver, the smallest one you can find. Usually a flathead works quite well for me. But yeah, just a simple flathead should work and should be sufficient enough to get it out with a little perseverance. So I'll have a go at doing this one for you now. As I said, it takes a little perseverance and patience, but eventually you've saved yourself the same amount of money it costs to actually buy a replacement band. So what you want to be doing is pushing down and inwards on the pin and pulling out at the same time, like this, but not too hard, otherwise the pin may break and snap. You can see there that I'm pushing it down. So basically that's how you do it. You push it in and then you pull it out, and then you'll end up with something similar to this. And then you can just put the spring bar back in to your new watch straps, push it in, make sure that they're engaged within the holes in the Casio G-Shock watch, and you should be good to go.